welcome back to my channel, and today I am actually going to be going frugal, that's right, frugal, whatever the, frugal. I'm going to be being frugal because today I'm actually going to be doing a braid out on my hair with just Blue Magic, Sure Gro, and VO5. And then I'm actually just going to be washing and conditioning my hair with VO5 shampoo. And I just got that from the dollar store. So, VO5 used to be the stuff back in the day. So, alright. So, let's see what I got going on with my hair. So, this right here is an old wash and go. It's really not that old, but for some reason, I don't know why, but freaking Eco Styler gel just basically just flakes in my hair. Like, I'll do it one day, and then the next day it starts to kind of flake. Then after it kind of flakes, then it looks like I just got a bad case of dandruff. So, I am going to be washing this out, and then we're going to do a braid out, and then we're going to see how that works. So, I am going to go ahead and wash my hair. But first, let me go ahead and show you the products that I'm actually going to be using. Okay, so this is the only things that I'm actually going to be using today to do my hair. So, this probably like an estimate of like $6 or maybe less. But this right here, I'm going to be using the Blue Magic Sure Gro. I love this stuff. I use this stuff all the freaking time. And then I'm going to be using the VO5 Extra Body Conditioner. And it has 5 vitamin oils and is paraben free and silicone free. I got this stuff at the freaking dollar store. And then also I'm going to be using VO5 New Extra Body with collagen, volumizing shampoo for body and balance, and this is the same thing, 5 vitamins and oils, paraben free and silicone free. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and hop off of here, and I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair and condition it. And I'm actually going to be using shampoo this time because I have this white gunk stuff in my head from the white gunk stuff. It's just gel buildup. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash that out, and I will be back in a second. Actually finished doing my braids so you guys can see what they look like. So now that I'm actually finished, I probably just let them hang down, but normally if I have to go out, because I'll put like a scarf on or a hat like dookie braids. Alright, so these are just, I know my pants are falling down. Hair on my shirt. Alright, so if I'm like going out somewhere, so I can just kind of like throw a hat on, all I would actually do is just kind of pin these up like that. But I'm not going anywhere right now. I'll probably go get me some bread later. So I just just do like this, and that way they are out the way and they just fit nicely under my hat. I might just leave them up like this. Oh, this is what it looks like. I told you it's nothing fancy. So so we'll see tomorrow what it looks like. And some, whoops, got some grease right there. Alright guys, so I will see you in the AM. Alright guys, so it is in the AM and I am going to be taking my hair out because I had it up last night. So it is completely dry, so we're going to actually take it loose to see exactly how it looks. Alright, so I'm just going to take and put a little bit of the Blue Magic on there. So we're just going to take these apart. Alright guys, so we're just going to take these apart. And then we're going to see how this comes out. If it's a yay or nay. Okay. That's that so far. I'm going to take my pick and kind of pick the roots a little bit. So give me just 1 second. Little fuzz ball. All right. All right, guys. So this is my hair using Blue Magic and just washing it with VO5 Dollar Tree shampoo. And I just braided it up last night and then I let it sit, and this is the results. Alright guys, so thank you so much for viewing my video, and I will try to come back with another video. And until next time guys, peace.